Hello, my name is Beth and today we will be doing the lava lamp experiment. So what you will need is a empty washed bottle, a clear one, some vegetable oil, some water, Alka-Seltzer tablets, and blue and red or any other colour food dye that you need, and also a funnel to be able to put it in so we don't have any spillages. So first of all, you want to get your bottle and get your funnel, pop that in there, and you're going to fill up your bottle about a quarter way full of water. Now my bottle is a quarter of the way full of water. I'm going to get my funnel again, and then I'm going to fill about roughly to the top of vegetable oil. As you can see, the water and the oil have separated in my bottle, and this is because the water is less dense than the oil. So that's causing them to separate, so they won't mix. So now I have my oil and my water, and as you can see, they have separated in the bottle due to the denseness. So now I'm going to add a few drops of food colouring into my bottle. As you can see, they're sitting on the bottom of the oil, but they will head into the water. So as you can see, the food colouring has headed down to the bottom in the water and has left the oil. Next, I will add my tablets into the lava lamp. Now, as you can see, this is causing bubbles to come up to the top because the tablets have turned into a gas of carbon dioxide, which is creating my lava lamp. Thank you for watching my experiment on my lava lamp. I hope you enjoyed and learned something.